Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of JD Flutes. Thank you so much for stopping by, folks. I really do appreciate it. This one here is one of my special series, bass D, double drone flutes tuned to 432 hertz. Yep, 432 hertz. And it has my eagle fetishes on it with genuine turquoise eyes. This is my 6-hole drone. And this customer here wanted my native lady on the bottom with the eagle hugging her. If you can see it, came out lovely. And this one here has been produced with Aromatic Cedar. And folks, this piece of wood right here is absolutely beautiful in person. Beautiful in person. If you would like to have one of these here, just let me know. I'll leave a link below this video to where you can purchase you one. And you can get it with or without the native lady. You don't necessarily have to get it with her. And it'll be a little bit cheaper if you don't get it with her also, because it takes some time to do this. But I'm going to do a very short sound sample and let you hear what this baby sounds like. It has a very beautiful voice. Very easy on the mouth, folks. Let me know if you would like to have one. Special series, bass D, double drone flute tuned to 432 hertz. And I also give you some different options for fetishes. This is just what he wanted. Okay? messed up a little bit, but it's alright. It's just because I'm tired. But if you would like to have one, folks, I will have it on sale, and I'll put the link below this video, and where you can purchase one on the website. And I appreciate you stopping by, folks. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Have a good one. Beautiful.